Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can join a game in Among Us. It's pretty simple. You want to click on play and you want to click on online. Now to join a game, first you want to select the server. So whichever server the game is in, you want to choose that server. So let's say my friend created a game which is an Asian server. I have to choose Asian. Now to join his game, I need to receive a code. Once I receive the code, I need to click on enter code and enter the game's code over here. Once I enter the code and click on this, if the code is correct and the server I chose is correct, I will be able to join his game. But let's say I want to join a public game. If I want to join a public game, I can select whichever server I want from here and click on find game. From over here, I can join whichever game I want. I can even change the game's type from over here from classic to hide and seek. The other thing is, let's say I want to host my own game. In that case, I can click on create game. From over here, I can choose the type of game I want to create. I can choose the map, the number of imposter, the number of players, and game type, the chat setting. After all of this is selected, I can click on confirm and my game will be created. Then I can invite my friends to join my game and play with each other. So that is basically how we guys can join game in Among Us. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.